Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today I will give you a small comparison between Seedance 1.0 Pro and Google Veo 3 in less than 2 minutes. What they are. Seedance 1.0 Pro is a cutting edge AI video generation tool that focuses on high customization, creative freedom, and pro level controls. On the other hand, Google Veo 3 is Google's latest text to video AI, known for its photorealism, natural motion, and cinematic quality. Strength of Seedance 1.0 Pro. If you are a creator who wants precise control like camera angles, scene composition, and editing flexibility, Seedance shines. It's built for professionals who value workflow integration and customization over pure realism. Strength of Google Veo 3. Google Veo 3, however, pushes visual quality to the next level. Its strength is in producing lifelike textures, fluid motion, and cinematic shots almost instantly. It's perfect if your priority is realism and speed. Which is better? So now you may ask yourself, which one is better? If you are a filmmaker or creative director who needs advanced controls, Seedance 1.0 Pro is your best bet. But if you want stunning visuals with minimal effort, Google Veo 3 takes the crown. At the end of the video, it depends on whether you want control or realism. Drop a comment down below with your pick and tell me which one did you choose and how could you like it. And that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new comparison video.